English one section a day, Day 15. 美国春季大风雪。
The calendar may say it's spring, but a major winter-like snowstorm is wreaking havoc on the lives of Americans from the Rockies to the Upper Plains. 13 states are either under a storm watch or warning. Powerful winds ripped the roof off this Harley-Davidson store in Pueblo, Colorado, and derailed a train off its tracks in Nebraska. Thick ice was the problem in Sioux Falls, causing many trees to fall on houses. The tree that crashed into the roof of the Imker house also damaged their car. While the Imkers and their neighbors clean up, some scientists are wondering what's happening with the weather. Are we really experiencing global warming? A NASA scientist reports the 5-year mean global temperature has remained flat for the past decade. While some believe those statistics prove man-made climate change isn't as bad as previously feared, The Economist magazine still says global warming is happening, but skeptics remain unconvinced, including perhaps some of the Americans who are digging out from this week's spring snowstorm.
Wreck 破坏 Havoc 浩劫 Wreak havoc 肆虐 Rockies 落基山脉 Upper Plains 美国大平原各州 13 states are either under a storm watch or warning 13州不是处在暴风警报下，就是有暴风警告 Rip off 扯掉 Derail 火车出轨 Derail a train off its tracks 让一辆火车翻出轨道 Mean 平均值 Flat 平的 The 5-year mean global temperature has remained flat 全球的5年平均气温值维持平盘 Statistics 统计资料 Economist magazine 经济学人杂志 Skeptic 怀疑者 Unconvinced 不服气